Hello students, so we last left off with step 4. We created the level 1 header here. So now we're going to move to step 5, moving text our philosophy to under what makes us different. So I'm going to scroll down to our philosophy and I'm going to highlight the entire paragraph and the header. And I'm going to do Control X for cut. Scroll up here, Control V for paste. Now I've moved this section up. Step 6 is setting the spacing for who we are and what makes us different. Section to double spacing. And this is already double spaced as it is, comes in the original document. So what I'm going to ask you to do is highlight this area here. And then we are going to set everything to 2.0. And now it asks us to remove any extra spaces. One of the best ways to do that is to click on this little paragraph symbol here. And that's going to show us all the marks. All these little paragraph symbols are space points. So we're going to remove all the ones that are by themselves. So we're not going to touch this one here. But we are going to remove the other ones. These are all extra spacing that we don't need. This document was created intentionally with extra spacing. And there we go. So now we're done step 6. This is double spaced, and what makes us different is double spaced. So now we need to change the following to level 2 headings, who we are and what makes us different. So we're going to highlight this, who we are. And remember, it was under styles. We're going to go to heading 2. Now notice it doesn't ask me to do anything else. It just asked me to set this to level 2. So I'm not going to change font size, type, or anything like that. You can also go to the what's called the quick toolbar. Choose heading 2. And then we are going to change the following to level 3, our philosophy. And from this point forward, I'm going to use the quick toolbar. Heading 3. Our students. Heading 3. And it's good to know what you can do in this quick toolbar because there's going to be because your certification test is timed, so this kind of saves you a little bit of time. All right, so we asked to do 3 level 3 headings, and we have those done. Next, we need to insert a section break after our philosophy, which was a mistake in the direction to say our teacher. So I'm going to go to the end here. And this may be confusing because you're going to see, well, I need to do a section break. So I'm going to go to insert because it asked me to insert something. I'm going to click here and it's going to say page break. This is actually not located there. Instead, you're going to go to page layout. I'm going to make this bigger so that you can see it. Under page setup, you're going to see this section here called breaks. And then we're going to see section breaks, and then we're going to go back, look over at direction 9, and it says insert a section break next page. So I'm going to click section breaks next page. And you can actually see it entered here as long as you have your paragraph symbol highlighted, which is actually a good practice to get into for preparation of the certification exam. Okay, that is up to step 9 for video number 3. Thank you guys. If you have questions, please see myself or Mr. Felix.